For Marjariasana, cat pose, come first to tabletop position with your hands directly under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. When you have this position, as you exhale, round your back. As you inhale, come back to the original position. You can repeat a couple of times, like alternating between these two positions. Keep your head completely relaxed and let your pelvis start the movement. Tilt your pelvis backwards and round your back. Tilt the pelvis and round your back. Or you can also stay in the position for a couple of breath cycles. And release.